Children, today we have to start question number 10 of exercise 11.4, where the question is, in the following figures, this is one of the figure, find the area of the shaded portion. So you can see the shaded portion here. Okay, so we have to find the area of that shaded portion. First and foremost, when we see this portion, it is neither in the form of parallelogram or rectangle or triangle. Yes, I am talking about the shaded portion. So it's very difficult to find the area of the shaded portion if we see only the shaded portion. But if we see the entire figure, you can see this is a rectangle, right? This is a rectangle, and if we see in this rectangle these figures, okay, 1 minute children. If we see these figures, the unshaded parts, they are in the form of triangles, right? And that too, right triangles here. So, if we find out the area of this rectangle and minus the area of this triangle and this triangle, we will get the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so what we will do? We will find the area of this rectangle, very simple, length into breadth. Then we find the area of this triangle, that is AFE, half base into height. Then we find the area of this triangle, that is triangle EBC, half base into height. And we do the total of these two triangles, the area, total area, and then subtract it from the total area of the rectangle. Okay, then what is left? Only this shaded portion. Okay, so understood? We have to do only that much. Just we have to use our brains little bit. Okay, because we are not able to understand which type of shape is it or how to get the area of it. But when we see the entire figure, we can see that this is a rectangle and these two are triangles. So if from this rectangle we cut these two triangles, we get this area. Okay, so we find the area of this triangle, this rectangle, then the area of these two triangles, and then subtract the area of the two triangles with the rectangle. Okay, so let's do that. So area of rectangle ABCD, which is equal to length into breadth. Yes, so what is the length here? The length is 18, the breadth is 10. 18 centimeter into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 180 centimeter square. Okay children, now this is the area of this rectangle. Now we find the area of these two triangles. So we write that area of triangle AEF, that is half base into height. So what is the base? 6 is the base. What is the height? 10 is the height. Remember, this is the perpendicular. Okay, so this is the base and this is the height. 2 ones are 3s are 3 tens are 30. So 30 centimeter square. Now we find the area of this triangle, that is triangle BEC. Again half base into height, which is equal to half. What is the base? Here 10. And what is the height? 8 is the height. 2 ones are 5s are 5 8s are 40 centimeter square. Then we find the area of the total area of the two triangles. So we write total, which is equal to 30 centimeter square plus 40 centimeter square, which is equal to 70 centimeter square. This is the area of the two triangles. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the shaded portion. So from the total area of the rectangle, we subtract the area of the two triangles. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of rectangle minus area of two triangles. Children, if you want, you can write here total also. Total area of two triangles. So that is 180 centimeter square minus 70 centimeter square, which is equal to 110 centimeter square. So this completes the first one, the A part, that is the first one. Okay. Now we do the next question. The next question is also same type, children. Again, we have to find the area of the shaded portion. So let's do it. Let's make the diagram first. This is the second one. It's a square. I'm very sorry if I'm not able to make a square. This is P, Q, R, S, because I'm very bad at making square, children. I don't know what happens to me when I have to make a square. This is the shaded portion. T, U, this is 10, this is 10, this is 20. That will be 20 because 10 plus 10 gives us 20, and each side of a square is 20. So this is 10, so this will also be 10, and here this is 20. It is already given. Okay, this is the shaded portion. So we have to find out the area of the triangle QTU. Yes, triangle QTU. But children, we need what is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? The formula to find the area of the triangle is half base into height. But we don't have the height here, unfortunately, right? So again, if you see this figure, it's a square. You find out the total area of the square. Then you see this is a triangle whose base and height is given. This is a triangle whose base and height is given. This is a triangle whose base and height is given. So we find the area of the three triangles and remove them from the total area of the square, and that's how we get the area of this shaded portion. Okay, so let's do it. First, what to do? We find the area of the square PQRS. Area of square PQRS, which is side into side, that is 20 centimeter into 20 centimeters, since each side is 20 centimeters. So it is 2 2s are 4 and 00 and centimeter square. Okay. Now what to do, children? Now we have to find the area of this triangle and this triangle. So let's do it. So first we start with this area of triangle PQT or PTQ or QPT. You can write it anyhow. Area of triangle PTQ, that is half base into height. So half into 10 into 20. So 5 2s are 10, that is 5 20s are 100 centimeter square. This is the area of the above triangle, this one. Then we find the area of this triangle, that is triangle TSU. Area of triangle TSU, that is half into base into height, that is half into 10 into 10. So 2 and 5, 10 will get cancelled, 5 is left, 5 tens are 50. So it is 50 centimeter square. Okay. So this completes the area of triangle TSU. Okay. Now we will find the area of this triangle, that is triangle QUR or QRU. Anything we can write. QRU. Again half base into height, that is half into 10 into 20. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 tens are 50 centimeter square. So now we find out the total of the 3 triangles. Total area of 3 triangles, which is equal to 50 centimeter square, 100 centimeter square, sorry, this is 100 centimeter square, then 50 centimeter square, then 50 centimeter square. So it gives 200 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have to find So now what we have to do? We have to find the area of this shaded portion. For that we remove the 3 areas from the total area of the square. So area of shaded portion is equal to area of square minus total area of 3 triangles. So what is the area of square? 400 centimeter square minus 200 centimeter square, which gives us 200 centimeter square. So this completes the second part of the question. Now we go to the next part. This is 100. Children, this is 100. 5 2s are 10. I am so sorry. So this gives us 250. And 250 minus 400 will give us 150. 150 centimeter square. So this completes the 10th one. Now we do the 11th one. 11th one is we have to find the area of the given quadrilateral where some of the dimensions are given. So let's do it. Question number 11. Let's make the quadrilateral. As you can see, ABCD is a quadrilateral where AC is equal to 22 centimeter, BM is equal to 3 centimeter and DN is equal to 3 centimeter and BM is perpendicular to AC. Similarly, DN is perpendicular to AC. So let's start. So children, if it was in the form of rectangle, we could have easily found the area as length into breadth, or if it was a parallelogram, we could have done it base into height. But here dimensions are given in a different form. This part is given and this part is given. Similarly, this part is given and this part is given. But if we break this quadrilateral into two triangles, if you see, divided into two triangles, if this is one triangle, then we have the height and the base. Similarly, if we talk about this triangle, we have the height and the base, right? So if we find the area of triangle ABC and the area of triangle ADC, and then we add the two areas, we'll get the area of ABCD. Got it? Which is the quadrilateral. Okay. So let's start. So whatever is given, first let's write that. What is given? AC is equal to 22 centimeters. BN is equal to 3 centimeters. BM is equal to 3 centimeters. And also DN is perpendicular to AC and BM is perpendicular to AC. This much is given. Now let's divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. So in triangle ABC, AC is equal to 22. This we don't have to write because we have already written. In triangle ABC, why to write this also then? Directly we find the area of triangle ABC, which is equal to half base into height, which is equal to half into 22 into 3. Okay, 2 and 22 will get cancelled. This is 11. 11 threes are gives us 33 centimeter square. Okay. Now, children, since the dimensions are same, so we will get the same area. So if we want, we can write similarly. The area of triangle ADC is equal to 33 centimeter square, or if you want, we can solve also. There is no problem. Area of triangle ADC is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into 22 into 3. Again, 11 threes are 33 centimeter square. Now, we have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, which is equal to 33 centimeter square plus 33 centimeter square, which is equal to 66 centimeter square. So children, this completes your question number 11 as well as the exercise 11.4 as well as the chapter 11. Tomorrow we'll continue with the next chapter.